Welcome to the CellGate Dealer app tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through this powerful tool for managing CellGate devices and guide you through every feature you need to know. Let's begin with installation. The process is straightforward. iPhone users will head to the Apple App Store, while Android users will visit the Google Play Store. Simply search for CG Installer Control and download the app to your device. After installation, you'll launch the app and enter your dealer credentials. Please contact managedealer at cell-gate.com to receive your credentials. The dashboard serves as your command center, displaying a comprehensive overview of your operations. When you open the app, you'll see all your client accounts listed at the top. Selecting an account reveals their property locations, and within each property, you'll find specific installation locations. This hierarchical organization gives you quick access to both customer functions and installation test functions. Customer functions allow you to perform basic operations with ease. After selecting your client account and navigating to the specific installation location, you can trigger gates with a simple tap. The app confirms successful operations with a Trigger Gate Success message at the bottom of your screen. For both new and existing installations, the app provides a robust testing framework. You'll start with the relay test, where you'll send a command and verify activation. The gate status test involves manually operating the gate and confirming that the app's status matches the physical position. For weekend testing, you'll scan a card or enter credentials and verify the matching codes. If your installation includes an exit request feature, you can test it by pressing the exit button and confirming proper gate or door response. Configuration settings allow you to fine-tune your installations. In the Configure Settings section, you can set trigger times, which control how long the relay, weekend, and exit request functions remain active. You'll also set rearm times for these same functions, determining how frequently they can be activated. Make sure you click Save, then the Push Changes to Devices button. These settings ensure smooth operation tailored to each specific installation. When installing a new device, the app guides you through each step. You'll begin by selecting Install a Product and choosing the device type and customer account. You'll then scan the device's node barcode. Then tap View Wiring Diagram. Here, you can follow the provided wiring diagram for installation. Study this carefully as it will guide your physical installation. Once you've physically mounted and secured the device in its intended location, proceed to the configuration phase by tapping Configure and Test. The first crucial check is verifying the power supply. Look for a blinking green light on the device. If you see the green light blinking, tap Yes to proceed. If there's no green light, tap No and follow the on-screen troubleshooting steps. The next phase involves configuring the device settings. You'll need to set the trigger times for various functions, including relay, weekend, and request to exit. Following this, configure the rearm times for weekend. Input 1, gate status, and input 2, request to exit. These settings determine how long the gate or door remains open and how frequently access credentials can be used. To complete any installation or configuration changes, you'll save your settings and use the Push Changes to Devices function. The app will guide you through final verification tests before allowing you to complete the installation. Throughout your use of the app, remember that CellGate support is always available. We're committed to helping you provide the best possible service to your customers. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the CellGate Dealer app. With these powerful tools at your disposal, you're ready to deliver professional, efficient service for all your access control installations.